Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I am fine. I am feeling well. Everything is okay. What about you? Okay. Time is going, and we have to see a new subject. So let's talk about adjectives. Okay, just order of the adjectives. Okay. But before I keep on with this topic, have you got any question? Everything is clear about the last lesson. Okay, I give you time and question. Okay, no problem. So I want to talk to you about adjectives order. Okay, the order of adjectives. We use adjectives to describe people and things. Okay, we use them to describe people and things. And I have here some examples. For example, old, an old man, small, a small house, okay, friendly, rich, and cheap. Okay, these are examples of adjectives. We said before that we used to describe people and things, so look at these sentences. I've put an old table for my kitchen. Here, I want you to see here, I can underline here in the red. I have old and old. And you know why we're saying an old and not a old, right? Okay, an old table for my kitchen, right? My hometown is small and friendly. We have two adjectives here, small and friendly. I mean, the city is not very big, it is small, but a very good city to be, is a friendly city. Okay. Uh, Another sentence we had lunch in a cheap restaurant. Zero. A cheap restaurant. Okay. So old, small, friendly, and cheap. They are adjectives, and they are describing just the table, the hometown, and the restaurant. Okay, very good. Point number two, we can see the form of adjectives never changes. Okay, the form of adjectives never changes. uh, I have a rich man, a rich woman, and two rich men. Mean, if you want to see the plural, we can form the plural with the numbers. Okay, countable numbers, cardinal numbers, and with the plural of the nouns. Okay, it means that we cannot say two richest men. Okay, we say two rich men. Is it clear? It's a little bit different of the nouns that we have to add s or es to form the plural. We put an adjective before a noun. Okay, before we have adjective plus noun, so we have this sentence here: I saw a beautiful cat. So cat is a noun, beautiful is an adjective. Okay, we also do like this: we put an adjective after be. Okay, after verb to be we can use an adjective, but before noun we use before noun, but When it's verb to be, we use after. For example, we have here be plus adjective, so we can say they are hungry. Okay, they are hungry. She is happy. We are um rich, and so on. Okay, right. We sometimes use these verbs instead of be. Look, feel, taste, smell, and sound. Okay, instead of be, we can use look, feel, taste, smell, and sound. Can you see the examples here? She looks happy. Okay, she looks happy. Uh, this cheese tastes wonderful, and I feel cold. Okay, if I feel cold, it's mean it is cold. Be just like this. Uh, when we use two adjectives before a noun, we put in a comma. Okay, we have to part them with comma. We cannot write both without comma. He is a nice old man. Are you a nice old or a nice young girl? Are you? Maybe. When we use two adjectives without a noun, we use and. Okay? You look tired and hungry. Yeah? The first point say, so we have to see very well this. I underline here for you. Yeah, he is a nice old man. As we have two adjectives before the noun man, so we have to use comma here. From the one to the second one, we have to use a comma. Okay, but differently in this case, when we use two adjectives without a noun, okay, we can use just and. You look tired and hungry. There is no noun here. Tired is an adjective and hungry is also an adjective, so there is no need to use comma, but we use and it is enough. Point number 5. When we use more than one adjective, there is a general guide to the correct order. You can see size plus age plus color plus nationality plus material. Uh, just it's a general guide. We can follow this guide. So a new green bag, a big French house, a small wooden table, right? We often use materials as adjectives. A cotton a cotton shirt, a silver ring, a plastic bag. Okay? So plastic is a material, silver is also a material, cotton is a material. We can say gold, iron, for example, they are also materials, and we can use them as adjectives. Okay. In the point number 6, here are some common nationality adjectives. Okay, some common nationality adjectives like American, Australian, Chinese, Indian, Portuguese, Russian, and so on. They are common nationality, and we use them as adjectives. Okay, it's just see how we use the adjectives, the order of adjectives. It's very important to know how to use adjectives in the sentence. Okay, because there are different languages. Sometimes the position of adjectives is really different about the position of an adjective in English. So when you think to write uh, a word in English or a sentence in English where we have noun and we have also adjective, remember that adjective has his own position, okay, has his own position. Later on we will start comparative and superlative adjectives, but it's not good to start comparative and superlative without know where we can put the adjective in the sentence. Okay, if you have a question, okay, don't worry about, you may send the question to me. I will give the answers by WhatsApp, or you can call to my phone number, and I am ready to give the answers of all the questions. Right now we have practice, and I give you the chance to practice according to all I have explained it, so you can write your exercise without any problem. Ready? Okay. Practice A. There are certain adjectives in this story. Underline them. Don't don't fight. You all need to underline. What you mean by underline is like you do like this. Let's suppose this is an adjective. You come and uh, you underline. Okay, this is what we call by underline. You do like this by pencil. Okay, exercise must be done by pencil, no pen, please. You find it says 13. Okay, certain adjectives. All right. Exercise B. Put adjectives from the box into the gaps. What you understand by gapes? You know, these space we call gapes. Okay, gapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 gapes. Okay, like here, ladies and gentlemen, this is Covent Garden. We want you to have an enjoyable visit, so the coach waits here. A, okay, you fill the gate, but the adjectives you can find here in the box. Okay, you have busy, careful, free, good, late, long, old, tall, and valuable. Don't take an adjective in another place. You have to fill with the words here to complete this. Okay. C. Put a verb from the box in each sentence. Use the correct form. You have look twice, feel, sound twice, and smell. Okay, like here. You have here test, so we take test, but we have look twice, sound twice, and smell. And you fill the gaps. Okay, we have the gaps here, and you have to fill. Is it clear? Any question about this? I believe it's okay. I will confirm when I start correcting your books. D. Look at this sentence if you think the adjectives are in the wrong order. Cross them out and write in the correct order. If you think the order is correct, put a tick. Okay? Remember, we talked about the order of the adjective. For example, here, she lost a gold small gold. Okay? Small gold, because gold is material, small is an adjective. So you change. I have an old Italian, so it's correct because we have tick. Now you can fill the gaps, okay? Put everything in the gap. Remember that you have to write according to the order of the adjectives. E. Choose a name and nationality from the boxes to complete the sentence. Okay, we have names and we have nationality. Batman Forever is an American film. Okay, we take here Batman Forever and we took here American film. Okay, this is the practice for you according to what we have uh, been studying, and you can do it normally. Don't be worried to do it step by step. See very well, choose very well, because I believe you can. I believe you understand English. So read first. Sometimes you like to do your homework without reading the point. You have to read and understand the points. Read A, read B, C, and D. We have also E, understand. After you can solve all the exercise. Okay? Thank you very much for today. If you have any doubts, you can write to my WhatsApp, okay, or you can call my phone number and I will try to explain again about your doubts. I want you to stay at home. We're trying to do our best here, so you do your best over there. Stay at home, and as soon as possible, we will be together at school. Okay? Bye bye.